One of our top picks in London, Signature Townhouse London Hyde Park is a beautifully restored 19th-century townhouse overlooking Hyde Park. It is a 5-minute walk from Lancaster Gate Tube Station and just 2 tube stops from Oxford Circus shops. The Grade E-listed Signature Townhouse London Hyde Park has elegant period features, including high ceilings and traditional sash windows. Looking onto the park, rooms feature espresso coffee makers, bathrobes and slippers. Signature Townhouse London Hyde Park has an on-site restaurant and a lounge area for drinks. The restaurant serves a continental breakfast, included in the rate, and guests can also enjoy a la carte and English breakfast at an extra cost. Light snacks are available for room service and there is a 24-hour reception and concierge services are available. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.